I wonder if there's weed in there.
Steve, this is a family-friendly channel.
Whoops.
Hi everybody, I'm Meli Spaghetti, and this is Steve. So he's back again so we could do our little VegOut city box unboxing once again. So this month I believe they did Denver, Colorado.
Ooh.
So let's see what we got. Okay, so you could go first and see what we got.
Okay, first off we got a little sticker. It says I heart nooch.
Nooch?
Whatever that means.
It's nutritional yeast. Have you not had nooch?
No.
I have it. We're gonna eat some later. So next we got dried coconut milk creamer. Oh, that's cool. I can't eat it, but you can eat it.
I can.
Do you like coffee? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Next up we got Missy J's peanut butter carob cup.
What?
Peanut butter cups. Chocolate peanut butter cups.
They're peanut butter cups?
Vegan Reese's Pieces.
Missy J. Good Day Chocolate Energy Supplement. Contains caffeine. They're candy coated pieces.
Energy chocolate.
Energy
Dang.
chocolate. Dang. There's another one. Are they different flavors?
That's a probiotic one.
Oh, dang.
Yeah. Ooh.
What is that?
We got some sauce. Some Thai green hot sauce.
Thai green hot sauce.
Lemongrass, green chili, cilantro, and basil. Dang.
Juniper seed, chai spice vegan lip balm. Can never get enough lip balms.
We also have some Spinster Sisters body butter, lavender scent.
Ooh.
It smells like plastic. Smells good. Smells like ginger.
No, it smells like lavender.
With a hint of ginger.
Next is Cultura Mexican drinking chocolate.
Drinking chocolate.
It's like abuelita hot chocolate.
Oh shit.
Damn. And then next, chocolate covered coconut milk caramels. Oh, it's like those little caramels we got last time.
But it's under chocolate caramel. Coco milk.
Sounds bomb. So the little paper says, "Welcome to Denver. Welcome to the Mile High City where vegans rule and the city." Vegans rule Denver.
Dang. I gotta go there.
We're going to Colorado in the summer, where vegans rule and the scenery is breathtaking. The second happiest and one of the fittest states in the country, Colorado boasts activities ranging from rock climbing to skiing to snowboarding to whitewater rafting. And the canines in this dog-loving town are as active as their owners. Come sit and stay a while. Fun facts about Denver. Denver is home to a small one-stop all-vegan grocery store called Nooch Vegan Market. Some of the vegan and vegan-friendly restaurant chains here include Native Foods, Voodoo Donut, Mellow Mushroom, and more. Vegan and vegan-friendly spots that are popular with the locals include Beatbox Bakery and Cafe, Mercury Cafe, Root Down, and more. Denver has one of the most walkable downtowns in the country and has 300 days of sunshine a year. You'll find plenty of fresh local ingredients and lots of craft beer and wineries. Damn, we're going to Denver.
We're going to Denver in the summer.
Alright, what's inside your March box? Coco Mel sea salt. I already ate one.
I ate two.
A sweet bite-sized marriage of coconut milk, caramel, dark chocolate, and sea salt.
It's pretty good.
Seed Ranch Flavor Co. Thai green hot sauce. A citrusy base with flavors of lemongrass, Thai ginger, cilantro, and basil.
Basil?
That sounds bomb.
It's basil.
Oh, well, it's basil. We watched The Great Mouse Detective. They call him Basil of Baker Street. Juniper Seed Mercantile Chai Spice Lip Balm. Luscious lip balm without all the harmful chemicals. Missy J's Peanut Butter Carob Cup. A little cup of decadence with zero sugar, caffeine, or regret. Spinster's Sister Co. Lavender Body Butter. Rich, creamy, shea-based indulgence. Cultura Craft Chocolate. Mexican drinking chocolate. Drinking chocolate made with only 3 organic ingredients.
Cacao, cane sugar, Ceylon cinnamon, organic.
Coconut Cloud Coconut Creamer.
Not one, but two.
2. Sustainably harvested coconuts to brighten up your cup of joe. Good Day chocolate. Chocolate supplements. A chocolate with benefits. A supplement that tastes like candy. Bonus. Sticker from Nooch Market.
I love Nooch.
I heart Nooch.
Oh,
They didn't even put a heart. They just wrote out heart.
Dang.
So that's all we have for the Denver box. I'm gonna get one more box, and if I find that this is a good deal, then I'll keep going. But if not, then oh well. That's it. So I'll see you next month.
Bye.
Bye.